Scope disputes can seriously derail projects, but with a clear proposal process, you can avoid these conflicts and ensure everything stays on track. In this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid scope disputes by outlining a proposal process that sets expectations up front and ensures everyone is on the same page. Stick with me until the end because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial to a software that can help you streamline this process, and I'll break down why it's essential to have the right tools in place. The first thing to know about avoiding scope disputes is to clearly define the project's scope from the very beginning. This means outlining what's included in the project and, just as importantly, what's not. Be specific with deliverables, timelines, and the resources you need to complete the work. If a client asks for additional features or changes mid-project, you should have a clear boundary to refer back to. Next, it's crucial to have a detailed contract. This document should reflect the scope of the project and include specifics like deadlines, milestones, and a payment schedule. Including these details will not only help manage expectations, but will also protect you legally. This is an area where many people drop the ball, and when the scope changes, there's nothing in writing to refer to. That leads to disputes. Another key step is to set up a formal change management process. This means any additional requests or changes outside the agreed scope should be documented and assessed for impact. By doing this, both you and your client are clear about what changes will affect the project's timeline or cost. Make sure that this process is part of your proposal and contract upfront so there's no ambiguity later on. Now, let's talk about communication. Communication is everything when it comes to avoiding scope disputes. Regular check-ins and progress updates with your client are essential. These meetings give you the chance to align with the client on where the project stands, address any concerns early, and prevent misunderstandings. Make sure your clients know exactly what you're working on and how their feedback is being integrated into the project. Finally, let's talk about the tool you'll be using to manage these processes. This software allows you to create clear, concise proposals, track changes, manage contracts, and communicate efficiently with clients. You'll have everything you need in one place, and the best part? You can follow along with this process using an exclusive free trial available in the description below. It's the perfect solution to avoid scope disputes and keep your projects running smoothly. So what's the key takeaway from today's video? Avoiding scope disputes comes down to having a clear, well-defined proposal process, a solid contract, a change management system, and consistent communication with your client. By following these steps, you can prevent misunderstandings before they happen and ensure that both you and your clients are satisfied with the final result. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This software will help you manage your proposals, contracts, and communication so you can avoid scope disputes and streamline your workflow.